Westermans here again with the ESAB Warrior, which has just arrived. This is one of 5 machines, 400 amps with a 304 wire feed unit, heavy duty wire feed. Machine is a multi-process machine, as you can see on the front. Stick, TIG, gouge, but obviously only 400 amps, and MIG. Also put as a mobile feed on CV if required. Machine will go through for servicing and cleaning. At the minute we're just connected to the load bank, but more details available on westermans.com on this and other machines like it. Like I say, it's just arrived, so will be serviced to order and sold with warranty. One of 5 machines. Thank you for looking.